team this year is doing really, really well compared to last year's. Past years, we're in third right now, and the team's really strong. We got a bunch of freshmen this year, which is great. Hopefully we get the same thing next year.
My name is Hamilton Compton, and I love just going fast on the water. It's really my passion.
I'm Henry Dumpy. I'm the captain of the stable sailing team, and I love sailing because it's definitely a different sport.
Being out on the water is one of the best things that you can do in your free time, and I love it.
You always need boots most of the time because roll tacking requires to use your feet a lot and they can get banged up.
When it's windy, you need to hike more, and when it's sunny out, it's suns out, guns out.
It's cool. There's a lot of slowing down opponents, helping your teammate get up course, and using the rules to try to execute plays and ultimately be winning when you cross the finish line.